Cells are the basic unit of all living organisms. They can be defined as being the structural and functional unit of all such organisms and living things. There are two broad categories of cells. Prokaryotic cells do not contain any membrane-bound organelles and cell membranes. The best example of this is bacteria. They are always unicellular, which means that they are made up of single cells. The second category is the eukaryotic cell. These contain a cell membrane and membrane-bound organelles. These are seen in higher organisms like plants and animals. There are two types of cells in the human body. Somatic cells. They are cells that make the somatic structure or physical structure of the human being. Gonadal cells. Gonadal cells are gametes, ovum and sperm, which infuse to form a new organism or body. These cells may vary in size from 6 to 80 microns. There are basically 4 parts in the structure of a cell. Let us take you through them. Plasma membrane / cell membrane. The plasma membrane, also called the cell membrane, separates the interior of the cell from the outside environment. It is a semi-permeable membrane which selectively allows the movement of selected molecules / ions in and out of the cell. It is composed of a phospholipid bilayer with embedded proteins. Cytoplasm. It is the fluid part of the cell consisting of thick semi-transparent fluid seen inside the cell. The cellular organelles, organic and inorganic substances, are embedded inside the cytoplasm. 75 to 90% of the cytoplasm is water. Organelles. They mean little organ. These are membrane-bound structures seen in the cytoplasm which has specific functions. Nucleus. It is the largest cellular organelle and controls the center of the cell. It contains the genetic material called DNA. The nucleus consists of chromatin and nucleolus. Endoplasmic reticulum is a network of tubular structures attached to the nucleus. There are 2 types of endoplasmic reticulum, the smooth ER and the rough ER. The difference is due to the presence of ribosomes on the latter. The Golgi apparatus is a membrane-bound organelle seen within the cytoplasm, which is involved in the processing of proteins and sending them to their destination. Lysosomes. Lysosomes are organelles which contain digestive enzymes, also called the suicide bag of cells. They digest excess or worn-out organelles, food particles, and engulfed viruses or bacteria. The mitochondria. Small, oval or rod-shaped membrane-bound organelles. They produce the energy for activities. The mitochondria is termed as the powerhouse of the cell. The cytoskeleton. Thread-like small microfilaments and microtubules which are seen in the cytoplasm. They maintain the shape of the cell. Ribosomes. They are small granule-like structures and present alone or in group and scattered throughout the cytoplasm. Their function is protein synthesis. Centrosome. This is the dense area of cytoplasm seen near to the nucleus. During cell division, it is helpful for the division of nucleus. Now coming to the last but not the least of the cells, cellular inclusions. These are the secretory bodies or storage particles seen throughout the cell.